Yo, what's up guys, Infinite Skills here, and today I'll be showing you how to change your playlist cover on Spotify on phone. So without further ado, let's get into this. Now you're going to want to make sure that you have the latest update installed on your Spotify app. But once that's installed, you're going to want to open up Spotify and select your library in the bottom right corner of your screen. It will take you to a screen like this, and you're going to want to select the playlist that you want to change the cover for. So I'll just pick this one. You are then going to want to select the three dots in the middle of your screen just above Add Songs, as you can see here. And then you can see the third option down, you can select Edit. You are then going to want to select Change Image, which will be underneath your current playlist picture. And then you're going to want to select Choose from Library. You are then just going to want to select the image that you want to use. So I'll just pick this one here. And then you can zoom in, edit it, move it around. Once you've done with that, you can just select Choose in the bottom right corner and then Save in the top right corner, and it will take a sec to refresh. And there you go, that's it. Thanks for watching guys. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Comment below if you had any trouble with this, and I'll try my best to help you out. And also comment any suggestions for tutorials in the future. But I'll see you next time guys. Goodbye.